Now we're going to prep the leek. Leeks are usually fairly sandy. First, if you've got a rooty one like this, we'll just take that off. I'm going to flip my board over because it really had a lot of dirt on it. And just peel off any bad looking outer layers. And we'll cut that and slice it down the center like this and quarter it. And quarter that other section too. I'm going to chop it and then wash it, because a lot of times the leek will hold sand in the inner leaves. And just chop that, hold it all together like this. You make your hand a claw, and that helps to hold vegetables all together. If you can see, I'm holding it like this on the board. And always move the knife as you chop. A slicing motion like this, and that will make it a lot easier to cut. I always curl my fingers like so. You don't want to be holding things like this, you might cut your finger. You curl your fingers and then the blade will hit your knuckles and less likely to cut you. Okay, when you've chopped the leek, we're going to put it into water just to rinse it off good. Just move that around and make sure that all the sand gets cleaned off of it. And then I'll put it into a colander to rinse it off. And just let that drain a little to dry. Okay, next we'll be putting our stock together in the pot.